For today's video is how to hide Instagram posts from somebody. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Basically, you can't just hide Instagram posts from one person. It's just not a part of Instagram, but there are kinds of ways around it. So let's go to Instagram, and if I want to hide my post from somebody, the first thing I could do is go to the three lines at the top right, hit settings, go to privacy, and then change my public account to private account. If it's on a private account, then only people that are my friends can see my post, and that way you're hiding it from somebody who else you don't want to see your post. Now, that is pretty much the most broad way of doing it, but it's not the only way of doing it. The other way is if it's just a single person, you could block them, but they would know that you were blocking them, because if they tried to look at your stuff, it would say that you were blocked, or it would say that you would have the request you as a friend. Now, those are the only two ways to do it. Instagram has a new button where it is restricting somebody. So let's say if I go to this person and I hit on following and I want to restrict them, what that does is enables their way to interact with you. So they think that they can see all your posts and interact with you. But in reality, you won't see any comments they make or likes they make. Any messages from them are restricted. It's not so awkward, it's blocking somebody and being that straightforward with them, but it's just restricting them. But really, that's the only two things you can do, is either to make your account public and go to private account. So just to follow the people you want to see or your stuff, or just start blocking people. If you guys have any question on that, let us know in comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like.